Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain about the object.values. So what is object.values in JS? So object.values is a built-in JavaScript method that returns an array of the values. It is return the array of the values of an object on enumerable properties, that is those directly present on the object, not from the prototype chain. That means those only present are object, that is only it will return in array. So the syntax is object.values are like object.values, that is the syntax. See, the object.values and then pass obj the object you want to extract value from. So I take one example from like const person and then object and then key value pair in the sense ki like name alias age 25 and country India. So just I take one variable const values and then equal to object dot values and then just the pass the person, okay, and then console, if I will do console dot log values, so I will get output it return an array of all property value like alias 25 and India. See alias 25 in and India, so it is returning an array. So that is the example of object.values. So the key point is it is only enumerable properties are returned and order of the values is the same as in a for in loop and works only an object, not an array. Through array are technical objects. And when we can use, so when you need just the values, not keys or key value pair, to iterate over value without worrying about keys, and that is the object dot values. So I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, so you can comment down. And if you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.